check the minutes. Then I will take it sometime. What's happening, Lieutenant? What's going on in your end?
Going up every day. What do you do?
No complaints?
Why does it matter?
Well, they always matter to me.
No, they don't.
They may not matter to other entities.
More money